Well, hey YouTube, welcome back my friends once again to Jack's Photo and Tech. So today is an obvious tech video, and I'm trying to bring his channel back, so I'm going to give you some tech stuff, but don't worry about the photography stuff because it is coming back also. Try to get everything back in line here for this channel and to get this channel some positive growth. So today, I'm sure the title gave it away, I have a replacement for you for the ls command on your Linux computers. And this pretty much works on pretty much everything I can find. It works on Arch, Debian, Fedora, Gentoo, NextOS, OpenSUSE, and Ubuntu. Okay, so it works on pretty much everything I can find so far. So we're going to go ahead and show you how to do this. And I'm also going to show you how to make it your default replacement for the ls command. So let's go ahead, we'll go into the terminal here, and I'm going to blow this up a little bit. And we're going to zoom in here a little bit. Alright. Yep, I'll zoom it one more time. There we go, so we can see what's going on. So the first thing is we're going to look at the standard ls command. So here's the ls command with a -L. This is normally what it looks like on your screen. Kind of boring, kind of like taken back, like, man, this doesn't look too great. So we're going to add the replacement. Okay, now the replacement is written in Rust. Alright, so it's supposed to be a little bit faster. I haven't really been able to tell any speed difference so far, to be honest with you. But it does make a little bit of a difference. So what we're talking about today is EXA. So this happens to be Linux Mint. So to install EXA, all I have to do is do a sudo apt install EXA. All right. Once I hit enter, give it your super secret password. And I already have it installed, so it doesn't need upgraded, so everything is good. Okay, I'm going to clear the screen. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to look at your aliases. Okay, before we do anything else. Alias. Now, these are all your aliases when you're typing in the terminal, what they do outside of what they will do. You see here I changed one called, earlier I was working on one called IP address to change the IP, to give it a little bit more color. I actually did take that off already. But anyway, what I'm going to show you now is how to use EXA. So let's run EXA-L. And you can see now where it's more colorful. It's easier to read, I feel, and it just pops off the screen now, right? A lot better than this. Wait. A lot better than that, right? It's just kind of white and blue folders. All right, let's clear the screen. But we can't always remember to type EXA. I know I'm an old school guy with Linux, and I've been doing this for a long time, so I don't really want to use, the EXA command. So what I'm going to do instead is change my ls command to point it to the EXA. I could do that very easy by typing alias space, okay, ls equals, put a single quote and put in EXA and another single quote. Alright. Now if I type ls with the -L, you can see that it is in fact executing the EXA, the Rust version of ls. So I think this is a very nice replacement. It looks very nice so far. I haven't really played around with it a whole lot, but pretty impressed with it. Again, you could just do a standard ls. You can see now they're blue instead of white. It does give you a lot better coverage. There we go. We can show some permissions, sizes, the date modified, the names. So it does give it a lot better, I think, clarity. So anyway, I just wanted to show you this. It's just an easy replacement for the ls to give you a lot more input, a lot more color based around what you're looking at. So hopefully this video is helpful to you. If it is, give it a big thumbs up. And please consider subscribing to the channel for more Windows, Linux server, Windows server, Photoshop Elements, photography, and all things digital. All right, I'll talk to you next time here. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, remember, stay curious. I'll see you then. Bye for now.